Monday to Friday, 8 to 10. Let's go! Live futures traded with the Forex apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto, risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Wake up early, markets calling, I'm here. Candles moving fast, futures crystal clear. NASDAQ running, E is on the line. Every tick, every move, yeah, I study the signs. But yo, don't copy craze, this is not advice. Education only, gotta think twice. You hold the keys, every click that you choose. Respect the market, you can win, you can lose. Yo, listen up, don't get it twisted. You risk your money, don't trade it riskless. Don't trade cash, you can't afford to lose. Stay disciplined, wise, that's how you choose. It's on purpose, that's my role. I guide with the knowledge, but you're in control. Risk management is king, money management too. Every outcome, yeah, it's all on you. Hey, live futures trading with the Forex apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Live futures trading with the Forex apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Yeah. I seen losses, I seen wins, that's the grind. Trading ain't a sprint, it's a marathon mind. Patience pays, greed kills, that's the code. Stay in your lane, never overload. Yo, we build, not chase, stack knowledge high. Trust the process, let the losses fly. You control the outcome, no blame the shift. Success comes slow, discipline's the gift. Live futures trading with the Forex apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Live futures trading with the Forex apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Yeah, this is the Forex apostle. We live, we learn, we trade smart. Remember, your money, your rules, your responsibility. Stay disciplined, and let's get it.
All right, guys. All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Can you guys hear my voice? If you can hear it clearly, please do me a favor. Type yes, 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 yes on that chat window right there. If you're watching on YouTube, my name is Emmanuel Adigbolaike, the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to today's live streaming. We're going to be trading NASDAQ, and we're going to be looking at the market in a minute. There is nothing really happening right now, and also there is no news today. So the market might just still do what it did yesterday, just keep ranging, and later find its way. But then let's take a coffee, let's take a seat, and the party will soon start in a minute, okay?
Yo, this is the Forex apostle. Live Monday to Friday, 8 to 10. Let's go! Live futures traded with the Forex apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Wake up early, markets calling, I'm here. Candles moving fast, futures crystal clear. NASDAQ running, E is on the line. Every tick, every move, yeah, I study the signs. But yo, don't copy craze, this is not advice. Education only, gotta think twice. You hold the keys, every click that you choose. Respect the market, you can win, you can lose. Yo, listen up, don't get it twisted. You risk your money, don't trade it riskless. Don't trade cash, you can't afford to lose. Stay disciplined, wise, that's how you choose. It's on purpose, that's my role. I guide with the knowledge, but you're in control. Risk management is king, money management too. Every outcome, yeah, it's all on you. Hey, live futures trading with the Forex apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Live futures trading with the Forex apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. losses, I seen wins, that's the grind. Trading ain't a sprint, it's a marathon mind. Patience pays, greed kills, that's the code. Stay in your lane, never overload. Yo, we build, not chase, stack knowledge high. Trust the process, let the losses fly. You control the outcome, no blame the shift. Success comes slow, discipline's the gift. Live futures trading with the books of hustle. Running on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the mind.
All right, so I'm going to be sharing my screen. Let's see what the market got for us today. Once again, my name is Emmanuel Adigbolaike, the Forex Apostle, and welcome to today's streaming, and let's get started. Let's look at what the market has. All right, so this is NASDAQ. As you can see right now, 15 minutes is down. Okay, the trend is down because we trade on 1 minute, so there's no need, there's no point of going to daily charts to be looking at what is happening on daily. We are going to be trading on 1 minute or 5 minutes. So with what I am seeing right here, the market goes up and came down, goes back up. It didn't make it up here, and now it looks like it's coming back down. This is midnight open, so right there. So let's take a look at 5 minutes. So you can see the market has been ranging. Now we have our rules. We trade with a system that has rules, and we try to stick with that rule irrespective of what is happening. We're not going to be FOMO. We're not going to be jumping. We're just going to let the market does its thing. So like right now we have these two EMA that give us a channel. Okay, so this channel, these two channels, this is 20 EMA. This is applied to high and this applied to low. That's the source right there. So now this also is a customized stochastic RSI. So now we have the basic rule. We only go long when the green is above the red, okay, on our oscillator, and the price action is above the upper channel here. Then we go short, that is, we'll go be selling when the green, okay, when the green is below the red, okay, and that happens at the overbought. Now from here to here is overbought. From here down there is oversold. So we want to be buying at the oversold level and we want to be selling at the overbought level. So once we have that understanding, you know we have rules that we have to follow. So irrespective of what is happening, I'm going to be following my rule. By the way, a little bit of disclaimer, this is not to be taken as financial advice in any way. This is supposed to be for educational purpose. So we're not telling you what to do with your money. I'm just doing what is working for me. And if you see opportunities, you are responsible for your action, okay? The outcome. And remember, today could be a losing day and it could be a winning day. And not placing a trade is also a trade. So we will try not to FOMO at all. So let's see. I'm going to be enabling this. So let's see. This is the previous day high. As you can see right there, that's the previous day high right here. Okay. So that's the previous day high. Let's draw that. Okay, right there. I'm going to enable it. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So that's previous day high. So let's see the previous day low. Where is it? Let's go to 15 minutes. Oh, wow. So this is previous day low right here. As you can see, that is previous day low right here. This is the previous day high. Let's make this one green. Oh no, let me make it blue so that we'll be able to differentiate. Okay, so we have that. Let me reduce this my music. Okay, so we have that. Now on 15 minutes, like as you can see, this looks like this market is going to sell off at opening. Okay, I mean, with what I'm seeing right now, green is below this red, but then it's too early to call. But my bias is actually to sell this at opening. So we might sell to this as this demand zone and go back up, or it can just smash down to come and take this previous day low. Because let's see what, I mean, like we said, we are not predicting, we are just going to be reacting to the market. So that is previous day high and low. Now let's look at the previous session, okay? Because we want to look at where liquidity align. We want to look at where there are liquidity, where there is stop losses, and so now how do we do that? I'm going to disable the smart money concept indicator, and I'm going to be using the ICT kill zones. Now, all these things, you can do them manually, but to make life easier, that is why we use indicators. So you need to understand what you are doing. You don't just follow indicator blindly. So as you can see, also, this is the London high right there. Okay, this is London high right there. Okay, so this is the high, and let's make that one like 2. Okay, so that is London high. So the London high and previous day high are almost together, and this is the London. This is the London low right here. Okay, the kill zone. We're looking at the kill zone. Okay, you're looking at the kill zone. The kill zone is the busy period right there. So, okay, good. So this is so let's remove that. You want to make sure that you don't cloud your trading space too much. Okay, don't cloud your trading space too much. So let's understand what we are doing. This is the London low. Okay, this is the London high. I'm using Ekineshi, but sometimes I might flip between Ekineshi and the regular candle. So taking a look at that, so you can see the market is looking like it's going to like what we said on 15 minutes. I'm using 15 minutes. You can look at 4 hours, but then because I'm going to be trading on 1 minute, I'm looking at 15 minutes for my trend, and I'll be trading on 1 minute. But on 15 minutes, as you can see, we still have room to go up. Okay, we still have room to go up. So it's been fighting this area right there. So I mean, that's on 4 hours, sorry. So on 15 minutes, it looks like this market is going to sell down. Okay, but I will try. I'm not going to do what I did yesterday. I'm going to wait, let the market tell us where it's going before we follow it. So, but from what I can see, you can see right now, if we pick this trend line on 15 minutes, join here to here, you can get there, turn back, okay, right there. Okay, you can see. Okay, I just joined those lower points there. Okay, so now let's go to 5 minutes. On 5 minutes, you can see it has made it right here. It's looking like it wants to go back. Okay, on 5 minutes. Now, on 5 minutes, we see this green has already crossed the red, but I'm not going to be, it's too early for me now to be buying this. I would have loved this cross to happen at oversold level. So now let's go to 1 minute, which this is where we're going to be trading. So on 1 minute, you can see there is more of a selling pressure also. Now it's down, it went back up, it closed down here. So don't be surprised. Like I said, it can just sell off when the market opens, and it can just do what it did yesterday by coming back to this London high and zoom up. Okay, so but for now, nothing. There's no news today. As you can see, there's no news. There's no news today. Today is Tuesday, September 9th, and we are streaming live. Okay, we're streaming live. There's nothing happening much today. Nothing's happening much today. So as you can see right there, and I'm not going to be rushing. I'm not going to be FOMOing. Let's see what we got today. It's going to be a good day. Today is going to be a good day. Let's keep the energy up. By the way, if you are connected on YouTube, do me a favor, like this video, okay? Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not. It will help our channel grow, and also it will help you yourself, to be notified anytime we upload any video, and we do that often. Okay, all right guys, so here we are. As you can see, the market is still doing up and down. You see, it has broken this low, so it forms a lower low here. So let's see if it's going up, but by breaking this here, this is break of structure right here, you see right there, it has broken that down. So this looks like this market is going down. It's going down. I mean, if it closes, if this one closes below here, I'm going enter is if it closes below this place, okay, if it closes below that place right there, can sell it down here. Let's see. All right, guys, this is the Forex Apostle coming to you from Dallas, Texas. So I hope you guys are having fun, and let me know if you are trading. And if you are trading Forex, the same analysis we're doing right now on features is what you can also do. Okay, it's what you can do. But because this is features, I'm trading on 1 minute. But you can trade on 5 minutes, you can trade on 15 minutes. This is day trading. So as a day trader, you want to open your trade, and you don't need too many trades. Like, especially like in features, you don't need too many trades actually to end your day green. And like I always say, a green is a green. Now, this, if you traded with us yesterday, you remember almost the same thing we had, but then green was below red yesterday, and I was waiting to sell, but then the market opened and it kept going and going up. It kept going and going up. So let's see. We are going to follow our rules, remember. And the rules, once again, is we follow this grain, okay, this grain. And in case you are connected and you're wondering what is this grain, the grain is my stochastic RSI. The red is my thermal, that is triple moving, triple exponential moving average. Okay, so what I'm going to do is move this, okay, move this thermal to existing pain below, which is like this. Then, as you can see, it looks as if the green is below the red. So, but you have to come to this place. You see this A, auto, fit data to screen. Then you activate that. You see, now green is above the red. So this tells you, okay, this is the normal place that the indicator is supposed to be. Then let's see the pivot. You can see here, this is where we have the pivot, and somehow the market always try to find its way back to the daily pivot, which is here, as you can see right there. So I won't be surprised, like I said, if market opens and this sell down. But I will try to be patient, not like yesterday. I will see what is going to happen. I hope you guys are having fun. Let's have fun. Let's see what the market gives to us today. All right.
Yo, this is the Forex Apostle. Live Monday to Friday, 8 to 10. Let's go! Live futures traded with the Forex Apostle. Grinding on the charts. Profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, man, it's tight, that's how we prosper. Wake up early, markets calling, I'm here. Candles moving fast, futures crystal clear. NASDAQ running, E is on the line. Every tick, every move, yeah, I study the signs. But yeah, don't copy craze, this is not advice. Education only, gotta think twice. You hold the keys, every click that you choose. Respect the market, you can win, you can lose. Yo, listen up, don't get it twisted. You risk your money, don't trade it riskless. Don't trade cash, you can't afford to lose. Stay disciplined, wise, that's how you choose. The pay on purpose, that's my role. I guide with the knowledge, but you're in control. Risk management is king, money management too. Every outcome, yeah, it's all on you. Hey, live, you just trading with the Forex Apostle. Running on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Live, you just trading with the Forex Apostle. Running on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Yeah. I seen losses, I seen wins, that's the grind. Trading ain't a sprint, it's a marathon mind. Patience pays, greed kills, that's the code. Stay in your lane, never overload. Yo, we build, not chase, stack knowledge high. Trust the process, let the losses fly. You control the outcome, no blame the shift. Success comes slow, discipline's the game. Live, you just trading with the Forex Apostle. Running on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Live, you just trading with the Forex Apostle. Running on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Yeah, this is the Forex Apostle. We live, we learn, we trade smart. Remember, your money, your rules, your responsibility. Stay disciplined, and let's get it. My future's trading.
Submitted.
So I remember what I said. I said when it closes below this, my mini resistance zone there, I said I was going to sell, but I saw that. Okay, but it looks like it's a bait. It looks like it's a bait. The market might be going back up, but let's see. And remember what I said right there. I didn't follow my rule. The rule is buy when green is above the red. Okay, so you can see what we're talking about there. So I'm going to see what the market gives to us. But it looks like it's going back up. It looks like it's going back up. Let's see. 5 minutes to the market opening. See, came down there and just rip back up. Yep. The market will do what it will do.
Order filled.
Okay. So as you can see right there, it hit our stop loss. If it waiting, but this looks like it's going back up. Okay, so now look at that. We still go wait. That puts me on a red right now, but okay. We look to redeem that. Okay, guys, who is trading? Who is trading? Trading NASDAQ, you're trading gold, but I am focusing on NASDAQ. 4 minutes to the market opening. This is how we do it. Nothing is happening much. As you can see, the market is quiet, but we're going to see. This has closed above here. I'm going to take my chances. This is above it. This closes right there also. Let's see. I put a buy.
Order filled.
Okay, let's see what we got. And the market might opens and it just rip down. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, good one. Come on. That's a good one. Okay, guys, let's make money. Remember, this is our stop loss right there, just in case. I don't know why my stop loss wasn't just kicking in. I put self-stop the last time. It didn't work. It just cut it off. Usually, when I enter long, like 10, I can put my stop loss like 60 micro so that if it rip back against me, that 60 will just kick in and end in green. And I've done that twice. This morning, I noticed it didn't work. But let's see. All right, 2 minutes to the market opening. We are back. This is high of London. So now the market, as you can see, let me change to the regular candle for some of you to see. We are back there, retest, and it looks like it's going back up. Looks like it's going. Look like it's going up. I'm not going to FOMO out of this trade. Okay, guys, less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute. Let's see what we got. Come on. Less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute. Let's see if it will come up here. We are still above red. Okay, the market opens 8:30. Ladies and gentlemen, awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, I caught that. And that put me back to green, I was down almost $250. Oh wow, that was a good catch. That was a good catch right there. See, that was a good catch right there. Now we are ready for another trade. Let's see. I'm trading time micro. Okay, trading time micro. Let's see if the market's way. Sir, let me see what message I got here. Okay, so it looks like it's going back down. But then, guys, like I said, I don't want to FOMO it. My green is still above my red. If it was before, after this candle now, I would have entered a sell. You see what is going on there? Can you see what is going on there? Can you see what is going on there? So wait, as long as the green is above, the red, we are looking for a buy. The only time we will look for a sell, okay, it might be lagging, but the only time we will look for a sell is if this green crosses red, guys. We will try to follow our route today. I will try as much as possible not to FOMO any trade. Okay, so this closes back up there, but then take a look at something here. This is fighting it. So if you are not in a buy by now, you need to apply caution. Okay, let's see if it goes. It looks like that buy is supposed to continue. It goes up, it comes back. The green closes above that. So let's see if it's going back up. Let's see. I put another buy.
Order filled.
My stop loss is going to be right below this candle. My stop loss is
Order
below this
submitted.
one. Okay. My stop loss is below this green candle. So let's see. It looks like, yeah, it looks like it wants to, it's fighting it. Now the green has crosses the red, guys. See, the green has crosses that red. That is very risky. The green has crossed the red. But that can happen and the market will still push back up. But any moment now, I'm going to close this trade. Any moment, I'm going to close this trade. The green crossed the red. But the momentum still look like it's going up. Look at this green. Look at that green. Look at that green. My mouse is seasoned. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the buy. I'm still in the buy, guys. Why? Because the momentum is still up. Even though the green has crossed the red, we are in overbought. Yes, agreed. Anything can happen. I'm still holding that buy because of this green. I'm still holding that buy because of that green. Okay, so as you can see, if it push back up, awesome. If it push back up, I'm going to close that. I close that trade. Okay, I close that trade. Let's see what is happening again. Okay, guys, do me a favor.
Order filled.
Okay, let me know if you are trading. If you have any question, type your question. I promise I will answer you. Now, the green has gone back above. See, so this is how you will know which the ranging market. So let's see where we are. We're down to like $72. Well, it's okay. We're still in the game. Now we go wait for a very perfect setup. This is one of the reasons why I don't like regular candle, because the noise is too much. But let's see. Let's see what we got. Ladies and gentlemen, we are still in the trade. Okay, it looks like it's going to sell now. It looks like it's going to sell. Yeah. Okay. It's still fighting it. Who is in the trade? Who is in this trade? 6 minutes to the market opening. As you can see, if you go to Ekneshi, I like Ekneshi because it's going to see you what is going on. Look at it. See? Everything is still up and down, up and down. So now for me to sell this market, I will be expecting to put a sell somewhere below here. Oh no, that's 60. It's supposed to be 10 micro. Number one, the background has to turn to red. By the way, if you are not part of our Telegram's community, the link should be at the description of this video. Make sure you join us. It's a closed Telegram group right now, but I'm going to be opening it. So enable guys to interact, ask questions. So we close it because of those that just like to spam different group. So as you can see, this is not the kind of market you want to trade. Just up and down, up and down. For us to sell this market, we need a red background. Then we need the Ekneshi to close below the red without any wick up. Then we also need a sell signal. So now the green has crossed over the red. Let's see what we got. Okay, we stay in the game. We are still in the game. Okay. Let's see.
Life futures trading with the Forex apostle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the motto, risk it right, man, it's tight, that's how we prosper. Wake up early, markets calling, I'm here. Candles moving fast, futures crystal clear. NASDAQ running, E is on the line, every tick, every move.
Okay, guys, nothing is happening in this market. As you can see,
education only gotta think twice. You hold the keys every click that you choose. Respect the market, you can win, you can lose. Yo, listen up, don't get it twisted. You risk your money, don't trade it riskless. Don't trade cash, you can't afford to lose. Stay disciplined.
Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose.
That's my role. I got with the knowledge, but you're in control. Risk management is king, money management too. Every outcome, it's all on you. Live, you just trading with the books of apostle. Running on the charts, running in the gospel. Money moves daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage it like that, we prosper. Live, you just
Okay, guys, we are still here. Nothing is happening.
I seen losses, I seen wins, that's the grind. Trading ain't a sprint, it's a marathon mind. Patience pays, greed kills, that's the code. Stay in your lane, never overload. Yo, we build, not chase, stack knowledge high.
So, like what we are saying, right? If you see, this is still not going anywhere. Okay, now we have the background red, but the green is above the red. Guys, we're following the rules, okay? We're following our rules, okay? So we are not going to jump into that also. Trading is 90% patience. Okay, now it looks like we're going to be having a sell, but then let's still wait. Too early to call also, because this can still rip back up. Okay, let me remove this. Let's go to 5 minutes and see what's going there. You see, 5 minutes, the green is above the red. General trend, 1 minute is down, 5 minutes is down, 15 minutes is down. So it therefore means that I am looking for a sell on 1 minute. But then you have to enter at the right time. Okay, taking a look at this. Okay, this is 2 minutes. Okay, it's going to rip down when it's ready to move that. This is, see right here. This is 2 minutes. Yeah, this is okay. That's 2 minutes. This is 1 minute. See that? So nothing is happening, guys. So I guess we'll just wait. Let's wait for the first 15 minutes to play out and see what we got. But remember, not placing a trade is also a trade. Okay, guys, this looks like it's going to be another boring morning. Trading is all about patience. Wait for the right opportunity. You don't just have to click because you need to click. You don't have to place a trade because you have to place a trade. I believe so many people now are in this either sell or buy, and they are in drawdown. So you have to wait for the right setup. You see, there is more buy power than selling power. Okay, but then the market is ranging. Look at this. Market is ranging. If you go to 5 minutes, nothing is happening there too. Okay, nothing is happening here. Okay, goes up right here, it comes back down. So pretty much I'm going to be looking for this buy on 5 minutes if I see a green close above the upper channel. But for now, it's too early to call, guys. Just too early to call. If you have any question, do me a favor, type in your question. And by the way, if you want to be funded with Apex, I trade with Apex, you can. Okay, let's see. Looks like we are having a move up. I'm waiting for this candle to close on 1 minute. If it close, I will put a buy. If it closed there, I will buy. If it closes above, always wait for your candle to close before you jump into a trade. The reason why I will jump to that trade is green is above the red. And based on what we saw on 5 minutes, it looks like the market is going back up, but it's too early. Let's see. Okay. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what we got. Okay. It's not violent. I need the violent close there. But let me just put that. I'm in a buy. I'm in a buy.
Order filled.
I'm in that buy, but it's not. Oh, no. Come on now. Come on. No. Mm-mm. I'm in that buy, but it's not. Mm-mm. It doesn't look like it's ready to move up, guys. But I'm still going to keep. I will put my stop loss below here. I put my stop loss below this
Order submitted.
green wick here. Let's see if this will go back up. Okay. No. It's still fighting it. It's still fighting it, guys. It's really, really, really fighting it. I'm going to reduce my risk. If this doesn't go up there, it's going to rip down. No. Okay. Stay fighting it. Okay. I'm going to close that trade. Let me see. We still have the green background. The green is still above the red here. Anything can still happen. I noticed something this morning. Anytime I put a set stop like this, it doesn't really trigger. Wonder why. Okay, this is a boring trade, guys. I'm going to be exiting the trade. A very boring. I exit that trade at $65. So yeah, I exit that trade at 65.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's this is boring. Okay, let's wait for the right opportunity again. Nothing is happening here. Nothing is happening, guys. Nothing is happening. The market is just ranging. Market is just ranging. It's just ranging. Okay. You see, it looks like he wants to sell again. But then, because there's no news, ladies and gentlemen, nothing is happening. Okay. I will trade till 9 o'clock and see if nothing happens. I will close the trade. I will close the end the streaming for today. There's no point of just sitting and not trading. Okay. There's no point. Just you have to. Okay, guys. So we stay here. So you can see right there. Okay. Nothing is happening, guys.
discipline, wise habits. Living on purpose, that's my role. I guide with the knowledge, but you're in control. Risk management is king, money management too. Every outcome, yeah, it's all on you. Hey, life, you just trading with the books of hustle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Life, you just trading with the books of hustle, grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the model. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. I seen losses, I seen wins, that's the grind. Trading ain't a sprint, it's a marathon mind. Patience pays, greed kills, that's the code. Stay in your lane, never overload. Yo, we build, not chase. Stack knowledge high, trust the process. Let the loss
Okay, look like we're gonna be having a sell. But the grain is above the red. So we have a sell there, but I'm not putting that sell, guys. Why? Because my green is still above my red. Okay, my green is still above this red. Okay, I am not putting that sell. Not putting a trade is also a trade. Yeah, it can rip down, but then, guys, it's better to be safe than to be sorry. Okay, so remember our analysis. This is the pivot point right here. The market might come there. This is the London high right there, the yellow line. This is the London low. That is where we are right now. So there is nothing pretty much happening. So on 15 minutes, this looks like a sell. The green is below the red. But then this is what is called a ranging market. Guys, if you put the regular candle, this is what you have. Okay. This looks like the market is going to sell, but it's still fighting it. This is on 15 minutes. This is on 15 minutes. It looks like it's going to sell down, but it's too early to call. Okay, this is a pure ranging market, guys. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is mixed. Okay. My green is above the red. Nothing is happening. This is boring. Very boring. Let's see. Grow weight. Okay, someone asked me what indicator is this. The indicator I'm using is just 20 EMA. This is apply. The source of this apply to high. And the source, as you can see, the source of this apply. EMA source high. The second one is low. And this is this one right here is stochastic RSI, the green one, and the red is my 90 EMA, 9 thermal, triple exponential moving average. So I just lay it over it. So the rule is very simple. When the green is below the red, I look for a sell. When the green is above, I look for a buy. And we trade on 1 minute or 5 minutes. So like we said, it looks like it's going down. But then it's not smooth. It's not smooth, and I'm not going to be trading it. Okay, 6 minutes to go. If nothing happens, guys, I'm going to be closing the stream for today because nothing is happening. And there's no point of just sitting down and burning because like what we have right now, you buy is selling, you sell is buying. And what do we have so far? It's a very small grain. It's a very, very small grain. Today, this is where we are. So just small grain, okay? Small grain. We go try and keep it grain instead of just jumping. Once again, the only condition that makes me to buy is my grain is above the red. So let's look at 4 hours. What's going on 4 hours? You see, right here. Take a look. This is let's remove all these line, all these indicators. Let's see what's okay. Just ask yourself a simple question. If all of these are not here, if all of these are not here, so what would you do? This is it here. Okay. If all of those indicators are not there, this is what you have, right? So if you remove this, you remove this, you remove this, remove all of this. On 4 hours, this is what you will. Okay? So this is what we have. Ranging. Let's give it regular candle. Okay, take a look here. Remember yesterday, I talked about this red candle. This is what is still trying to play out. And throughout yesterday, the market didn't move at all. And right now, what we have is this. So if you put a trend line through here, from here, over here, this is what we have. So 4 hours is stay up trend. Okay. Like what? This is it here. So it's fighting it here. So in order for this to actually go up, take a look at this. Right here, this is the high. That's the high. That one looks like it taps it. Remember, this looks like a triple top right there. So I won't be surprised if this market sell off tomorrow. I think there's news tomorrow. Tomorrow, 7:30, there's news. So we will be streaming. We'll still start our streaming by 8 tomorrow. Then Thursday also, there is, of course, there's news. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have. Nothing is happening. And there's no point of just sitting there and clicking. What do you guys think? What do you think? What do you think? This is 15 minutes. The same thing. Okay? The same thing. Now, on 15 minutes, it looks like he wants to sell, but it's too early. This is a ranging market. See, right here. See, right there. This is not a trending. It's not a trending market. I hope you know that market ranges 70% of the time. So that 30% that it trends, you don't want to miss that opportunity. So this looks like it's going to sell right there. You see, right there. This is, I'm going to put this cell and just leave it there. Let's see. This on 15 minutes.
Order filled.
This on 15 minutes. Hopefully, that will not haunt us. You see. You see now it's going back up. 29, 300, 360, 475. It's like they've been waiting for us to put that cell. Okay. It's like they've been waiting for us to put us. It's like they've been waiting for us to put that. But the market still look, you see, right there. Okay, guys, it's 9 o'clock. Nothing is happening. We're going to be ending this streaming for today. I'm going to swing this myself on 15 minutes to the end of the market session today. You see, guys, you see what I was talking about. Look at that. Look at that, guys, on 15 minutes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. If you are in that buy, you would have lost money. Look at that. Look at that. See, you just have to understand the market dynamics. You see, on 50 minutes, I told you that this is selling. And guys, this is still coming down here. Okay? This is coming down right there. It's going down right there. But I'm not going to be putting that sell again. We've tried for this morning. I'm going to be ending the streaming right now. And thank you so much for showing up today. It's another green day. It's a green day. Yesterday was green. Today is green. Okay. Yesterday was green. Today is green. Okay. Just understand. If you understand the nature of what you are doing, you will not be taking irrational decision when you trade. Okay. Just understand the movement. And with what I'm saying right now, the market is just ranging. It just keeps ranging. So if you don't know when to walk away, you're going to give what you made. You're going to give it back. You're going to give it back. Okay. So guys, I want to thank you. Thank you so much. And tomorrow, I believe tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will not be as boring as yesterday and today. So because there will be news. And you know what moves the market? It's news. Even if there's no news, somebody somewhere must create the news. Okay?
Yo, this is the Forex Apostle. Live Monday to Friday, 8 to 10. Let's go! Live futures trading with the Forex Apostle. Grinding on the charts. Profits in the gospel. Money moves daily. Discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight. That's how we prosper.
Wake up early, markets calling, I'm here. Candles moving fast, futures crystal clear. NASDAQ running, E is on the line. Every tick, every move, yeah, I study the signs. But yo, don't copy trades, this is not advice. Education only, gotta think twice. You hold the keys, every click that you choose. Respect the market, you can win, you can lose.
Yo, listen up, don't get it twisted. You risk your money, don't trade it riskless. Don't trade cash, you can't afford to lose. Stay disciplined, wise, that's how you choose.
The pay on purpose, that's my role. I guide with the knowledge, but you're in control. Risk management is king, money management too. Every outcome, yeah, it's all on you. Hey,
Live futures trading with the Forex Apostle. Grinding on the charts, profits in the gospel. Money move daily, discipline the motto. Risk it right, manage tight, that's how we prosper. Live futures trading with the Forex Apostle. Grinding on the charts.